Welcome to Isvara Wellness Studio. This is a 5-minute practice you can do any time of the day. First thing in the morning, in the middle of a busy day, or whenever your body needs to move and reset. There is no equipment required, not even your mat. Just find a little space, stand up, and let's begin. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Now, as you inhale, rise up onto your toes and lift your arms all the way up overhead. Feel the whole body lengthen upward. Exhale, lower your heels and your arms down. Inhale, heels up, arms up. Exhale, bring your heels and arms down. Let's continue this movement 3 more times. Let the breath lead the movement. Inhale, rise up on your toes. Exhale, bring your heels down. Last time, inhale and exhale. Good. Step your feet a little wider than your hips and let your arms go completely loose at your sides. Now start to rotate your torso from side to side and just let the arms follow. Your arms are simply following the body, swinging freely. Let the movement get a little bigger with each rotation. The torso is turning, the arms are swinging naturally, and the spine is rotating all the way from the base up to the neck. The feet stay grounded and the knees stay soft. Everything from the waist upward moves freely. Keep continue few more times. Come back to center. Bring your feet back to hip width apart. Now interlace your fingers and reach your both arms up. Turn your palms to face the ceiling. Inhale to get tall. Exhale, bend to the right, letting the left hip push gently out to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, bend to the left, right hip moves out to the right. Inhale back to center. Keep flowing side to side with the breath. Just a continuous gentle wave from one side to the other. Let it get a little deeper with each breath as the side body opens up. Inhale to center, exhale to bend. Inhale back to center and release the arms down. Bring your hands to your waist. On your inhale, gently arch the back, open the chest, and let the gaze lift slightly upward. Exhale, slide your hands down your legs, soft bend in the knees, and fold forward. Inhale, rise back up, hands to waist, arch, and open the chest. Exhale, hands slide down, fold forward, head drops. Let the spine release completely. Let this movement flow 6 to 7 times with the breath. Inhale to arch back. Exhale to fold forward. Continue this movement. Follow the rhythm of your breath. Come back to standing. And now step your feet wide, wider than your hips, and turn your toes out slightly. On your exhale, bend your knees and lower into a wide squat, bringing your hands in prayer at the heart. Inhale, straighten your legs, hinge forward from the hips with a long flat back. Exhale to squat. Inhale, straighten your legs, fold forward. Let this movement flow few more times. Move slowly and feel the difference between the two positions. The deep hip opening in the squat and the length through the back of the legs in the fold. Keep breathing and keep moving. Last few more times. Come back to standing. And walk your feet back to hip width. Now press your left foot firmly into the ground. On your inhale, lift your right knee up to the hip height. Find your balance here. Inhale And as you exhale, take your left hand to the right knee and open your right arm back behind you. Gently rotate the upper body. And now switch other side. Continue this movement few more times. Twist gently to right and left and breathe. Inhale to lift, exhale to twist. Release and come back to standing. That was a complete 5-minute practice. You can come back to this practice anytime you need it. 5 minutes is all it takes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. See you in the next one.